Okay, we've done as much as we can with the barge here and a little extra framing to help the crew out here. We'll leave Rick and his crew here to get this project finished up. We're going to go ahead and shove on over to Pensacola Beach. Got a little project over there. We're going to be ripping out a, I think it's close to 500-foot dock boardwalk, replacing the boardwalk on land and replacing all the structure in the water. So I'll go ahead and get you an update on that video here, and as soon as this project here gets done, I'll go ahead and get some final pictures posted and let y'all know when the total project's going to be completed. If y'all would subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell up top, then you'll be notified as soon as I get these next videos posted. Thanks a lot for the subscription. I appreciate it, guys. Here's the framing detail on the dock project here. We've got rough cut 2x8 timbers. Double timbers on the outside, single timbers on the inside, which are staggered and blocked. We'll have 4 bolts on each side of each block. The treatment on this material is 2.5 CCA, which is actually the heaviest treatment allowed in the state of Florida waters. All the stringers that are setting on the cross ties will be fastened to them with 3-inch stainless steel screws, also with a stainless steel hurricane clip. You got our saw station here, chop saw set up, table saw set up, miscellaneous cuts off the trailer here. Guys are already in the water first thing this morning getting it done. The rough cut 2x8 cross ties and the rough cut 2x8 stringers are all bolted to the pilings with 5/8 type 316 stainless steel bolts. Smile, Rick.
I'll smile, I know.
Here's an aerial view of the project going on right now. You can kind of get an idea of what is done. We've got the lower catwalk framed up for the boat slip side. We've got the lower catwalk framed up for the swim side on the opposing side. Got a little bit more framing to do to get out to the platform. We should have that completed today and have all the framing down on the deck by tomorrow on Friday. Getting really close to having this project wrapped up. Well, the concrete pad is done for the handicap parking area. We got the stripers over here now, getting the proper signage put up and all the proper striping put on it. Got all the lower catwalks framed up on the sides. Just a matter of getting some decking installed on them. Getting the bolts installed right now. Got a lot of the Thro-Flow decking installed. If you're not familiar with Thro-Flow decking, it is a composite plastic decking. Very cool on the feet and structurally sound. Allows the water to surge up through the panels when you have storm action, and also good for seagrass. We are done with the barge now, so we got it packed up, ready to get pushed over to our next job over on Pensacola Beach. Kevin and Ashton are making their maiden voyage, first time by themselves, pushing a little over 100 foot of barge. The guys have been really working hard to get this decking down. Had a lot of rain come down yesterday, so we had to pack it up early. But they got the decking down on the lower catwalks. We just got a little filler board to put in between of it. Got another 40 foot of decking to get out to the platform, then we get started on the platform. If everything goes as planned and material comes in, we're still waiting on some hardware, we should probably have this wrapped up by the end of next week. Way ahead of the June 1st deadline. Get you guys back in the water. Just as soon as we get the project wrapped up, I'll do some more videos and pictures and get it posted. Really appreciate being able to do this project for the county. I think it turned out real good. It's going to be there for many more years to come. If y'all would subscribe to the channel, if you've been watching this trying to see when a boat ramp's going to get done, like and share. That really helps me out. I'm trying to build an audience here, and you can see the next projects we got coming on. Thanks.